Hey guys, and today our video will be as usual about the fishing. We are going to fish in the monastery. We will be doing trolling fishing and we will see what we will get today. Maybe it's gonna be our lose and maybe it's gonna be our win. We'll see.
Babe, don't make a sound. 2 a.m. love, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking now. You wanna ride in the 6, you wanna dine in the 6. But when I lean for the kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. And I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, on my, on my, on my, on my sins. Yeah, on my, on my, on my, on my sins. Yeah, on my, on my, on my, on my sins. Yeah, on my, on my, on my, on my sins. Yeah. Babe, just hit the pedal. If things go wrong, it's just incidental. My bad, never got the memo that you never have fun while you're in the limo. Yeah, you wanna ride in the 6, you wanna dine in the 6. But when I lean for the kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. And I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my.
Hey guys, so we are back from our fishing. Actually, fishing was quite good. We got one marlin. All the tourists, our guests, they were satisfied, they were happy, screaming and shouting. Well, actually, I think that every person would be happy when they get in their first marlin. So, if you like the video, don't forget to put us this and don't forget to write some comments. We like them. And actually, if you want that we will do some other video, feel free to write in the comments. We will do that. So, bye. See you in the next video.